You need to hear this if you're an ANSYS user looking to supercharge your simulations. With our User-Defined Function UDF CFD simulation training course, you'll master the art of customizing ANSYS Fluent to fit your unique project needs. Dive deep into 10 comprehensive chapters, each focusing on a specific UDF macro, from DPM-Drag to delta T and even profile macros. Whether you're handling drag between particles and fluid with DPM-Drag or controlling time steps with delta T, our course covers it all. And the best part, it's now available at a massive discount. Originally $1,060, now just $299. This isn't just another course, it's a gateway to optimizing your simulations and boosting your efficiency. Plus, you'll get all the resources you need: geometry files, mesh files, and an in-depth training video. So what are you waiting for? Click Add to Cart and start your journey to becoming an ANSYS Fluent expert today. For more details or special requests, contact us at info@mr-cfd.com or hit us up on WhatsApp at +44 7443 197273. Unlock the power of UDFs with MR-CFD, your key to mastering ANSYS Fluent.